Stream, stream, stream. Stream, stream, stream. Share stream. Yes. Live here. Let's see if anyone joins before I share the link. Yes. Doof, 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 doof app. Okay, never mind. Post on. I'm gonna tweet. I'm gonna make a Discord post. Anybody in here? No, nobody's in here. Soon to be though. We're gonna be doing some cool stuff. Discord. All right. Anybody in here yet? Vibe coding. What's up, Omar? What's up, Kush Patel? Hello, brother man. We're just gonna be doing some vibe coding today on our mobile app, which is called Doof. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna be trying to polish a few features. Let's see what I have on my to-do list. We're gonna be polishing right now. Oh, review request, already did that. I was looking into some other apps that are similar, but they track like IBS, like digestion systems. Maybe polish the dashboard data to be a bit more useful. We're gonna make the coin flip feature, hopefully live on stream, and maybe add some filters to our logging system. Let's see if we can do that right now. First, I did want to see if my notification system was working, because I added like basically a pop-up for notifications right. Oh wait, you can't see my screen. Jeez. So I added a pop-up for notifications after like the onboarding. This is onboarding. I made it. It's cool. Yeah. So you'd get a notification there. It shows my last time's questions because you're only supposed to go through this once. Blah blah blah. And I have polished the Alex Slater in the chat. Oh my gosh. What's up? What's up, Zed? What's up, Sese? Sese? You're building an app. Oh, you're building an app, Sese? I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. That's sick. Some people are joining. That's actually awesome. Good. If it's your first app, then don't get discouraged if things don't go right, because mine took months. But you're started, so don't worry about that. Just keep going. What is this? Oh yeah, these insights are cool because they're based off of what people answer, which is sick. And basically they're just like some insights based on what they answer, and then we hit them with the paywall, which they can exit, and then they won't be able to actually use these core features without paying. Sorry, but I have made free stuff before, and I mean, no one pays. So I'm trying to be profitable business here. This is what we have so far. If you're coming to the stream right now, then welcome. Okay, I was saying it right. This dashboard is terrible. Gonna change everything about it. Definitely not sticking with that. But what I've done recently is made it so you can now add foods. Oh gosh, you don't see it. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. You didn't see that. You can add foods. I always type banana. Can add how much you like it. It's always a banana icon here because I like bananas, so deal with it. You can say if it was worth, and you can save the food log here, or you can then add notes, add how hungry you were, digestive comfort levels, sleep quality, mental clarity, and all that good stuff when you ate it. If you don't put when you ate it, it still tracks it, where you ate it, and you save that food log. And then you can then go in here and edit it and see all the details, see your notes, see what time it was, all that stuff. Basically, I wanted this for myself because I kept eating chocolate, and chocolate usually makes my head hurt. If I tracked this in an app and I had a diary of all the things I ate that made my head hurt, I could then not eat them as often. That's where we're at so far. And today I think we're going to try right now to develop this coin toss feature. I have some assets for for the coin toss, like I made the watermelon logo that I have here that I made. I made it like a check mark and an X so we can maybe animate it and put it here because this looks terrible. And make it look a bit cleaner. This looks pretty good though. I had a burger from McDonald's recently. It wasn't good. Don't recommend that. But yeah, let's start coding. But first, I want to see if this actually works. Yeah, so you can set a time for when to get reminded every day to log your food, and you can also turn off the reminder. So pretty cool. I think, oh wow, that's like bad. You set a time, and then it goes away. Okay, I changed that right now. All right, so you can kind of see my code, hopefully. And what we're going to do is we're going to ask cursor, fix the time select. So they have to press a button to confirm the time. Right. Now it just goes away. Saves one. Name. Move it at all. Yeah, I'm not doing any coding today. It's called vibe coding. We are just asking cursor what to do, and then it does it. I really like it a lot. How can you start with your own app while we're waiting for cursor to respond? Honestly, if you have no experience developing, I would open ChatGPT or go to like bolt.new or VO and just say like, hey, make me this, and ask whatever you want to make and see what it says, see what it's going to tell you to do, and follow along and just try to get something up and out there. I would say the V0 or bolt.new are probably your best bets. The day 2 video, I just didn't stream yesterday. I tweeted about it. There's no day 2 video. I was lazy. Yeah, that's the truth. I was lazy. And I did get a lot more done because I didn't worry about that. But yeah, start your own app. Just, if you have an idea, plug it into some type of AI chat or system like VO or Bolt, and then see what it tells you to do, see what it gives you, and then just go from there and slowly try to learn what you're doing. You're gonna have to read a lot of documentation, probably there's gonna be mistakes, but that's like the only way to really get through that is to learn. And if you're interested enough, you will go through that. Yes, this looks much better. Confirm a time. 4:20, we are going to put it for in the morning. Kidding. In the evening. Cool. That works. You can turn off daily reminders. And I just want to make sure. So if the user says no to our notification request, we should have small text under the notifications to go to settings and turn it on. Also, will the auto reminder be set up cause any issues? If they haven't, before we request notifications in onboarding, it won't trigger until after onboarding to add the 24-hour daily notification. When I type to LLM, I usually don't know how to spell, mostly because also my hands are cold. What's the chat? How is the phone showing that you're showing the output of the phone? This is a simulator, so if you don't have a Mac, you can use a simulator for Android. It's the same thing. And you can kind of get your phone on your computer. You can also use a physical device though. Some people, they literally just put their phone up, like on a stand in front of them, because there's some things you can do on an actual phone that you can't do on a simulator. So yeah, it's a simulator. That's the answer. Chocolate makes my head hurt too. Yeah, I know. Chocolate. Well, just sugar in general, I realized. I didn't have sugar for all last month, and life was much better. Head-wise, my headache. Thanks. So let's see what cursor said. Help you add the settings instructions text. It's doing that now. And then I just want to know if my layout for my tabs is going to trigger. I have an auto notification set up. So when they log into the app, it's going to say, we're going to send you a notification every day at 7 p.m. And that's only going to go through if they said yes to the notifications at the beginning in the onboarding. But I just want to make sure that like that doesn't break anything. Is this layout's going to be triggered before that happens and then break everything? Because I'm already said yes to it. After permissions are granted, when the app starts, if permissions are previously granted, then daily notification only scheduled in 2 places. When permissions are granted during onboarding, when these are enabled notifications. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, we should be good. Only thing is it didn't add it didn't do what I asked it to. Dumbass. Let's add instructions text when it first. Oh, it's only when it's denied it adds it. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess I don't need to. How do I? Oh, to enable notifications, please go to your device settings and allow notifications. Doof. No way. That's sick. It actually worked. Wow, cursor's cracked. I called it a dumbass, but I did not mean it. Thank you. Let's see here. We're gonna push that. We're gonna push that. Notifications are set up. Good. Okay, one thing I want to do before I code the coin flip is I kind of want to make this filter system better. And I also have to fix the fact that if someone puts in if it was a craving or not, no, yes. Oh, we have to add something here. If you put it in it's a craving or not, it doesn't actually save that detail. Like it saves it, just doesn't display it in the edit. So we can't actually be like, oh, was that a craving? Because no, it doesn't show it. For the edit inside of, what is it, log? No, it's in history. History. Actually, it's in like some edit form. No, it's not. History. We don't show the selected regret option. Even though I said it, it's showing neither selected. Why is that? Okay, so that's gonna fix itself. Read chat real quick. Whoa. Had working on deploying some on-device ML loss map, and I can't test them on the simulator. Yeah, some things you don't work on the simulator. Have I done the Expo SQlite integration already? Yeah, Jason, I have. I have a database set up with Expo SQlite. Honestly, though, I didn't do anything. What I did was I put the documentation into Cursor for Expo SQlite, and then I also copy pasted the whole page, and also fed that in because it usually doesn't read the links I send, and then it did it all for me, believe it or not, and it actually did it in like 2 tries. At first it was erroring, I was getting some errors, I fed it the errors, it fixed it, and now it works. If I refresh my app, you're gonna see here that everything saves. I could save this in local storage because it's just JSON data, but why did it change the way it looks? All right, but yeah, I did already do that. The Cursor did a very good job, made it really easy. See, this doesn't save. Did I not understand what I meant? Oh wait, did I save? Didn't understand what I meant, did it? Yeah, I didn't. Okay, reject all those changes. Does that look better than what I had actually? Dude. Oh, it does. Damn it. Shoot. Reapply. It did look better. It did look better. UI level, maybe a slider in place of numbers 1 to 10. UI level sliders? No, they're just 1 to 7, actually. I did have 1 to 10. And I tried sliders and I didn't like it. So I just left it. It's just 1 to 7. So I had it as 6 because that was funny, but there's no middle for 6 because it's an even number. So I made it 7. 7's the max. Is that confusing? Maybe. But the app is called, it's literally called Doof. Like, it's not supposed to make sense, and that makes sense, I think. A little bit, maybe. I want to re-add that change. Oh, accept. Did it work? Yes, that looks sick. Okay, what I actually meant. Okay, but still, the problem is in my more details section. Yeah, in the more details. For the question, was this a craving? We aren't showing the answer put there properly. It's not showing anything even when I click yes and press save. Copy, paste. Yes, let's see if it understands now. Oh, what's up? What's up? Yeah, this is React Native and Expo. I made a boilerplate. If you join the Discord, it's in the description of this stream. Then you can go and see it. Wonder if the stream looks good. I can't tell, but I'm literally streaming and doing all this from my Mac. Let me see if I can close some stuff. Not really. I thought you need Xcode to code on iOS and use a simulator, but using Cursor. Yeah, I am using Cursor, but I have Xcode. You need Xcode to launch an iPhone simulator. If you don't have Xcode, if you don't have a Mac, you can just use Android Simulator. Even though Android Simulator kind of sucks, it does work. I did build my first app on it. Yeah. While we're saving craving value in the database, handling the model, I'm not displaying the history view. Yeah, that's what I said. Thank you. Thanks for making this content, Jack. Every little bit of watching others tries helps me find myself. You're welcome, man. Thanks, Jason. Oh, thanks, Jason. Yeah, try again later, Jason, but feed it with the docs and copy paste the whole page. Like, hold shift, click the top header, and go scroll to the bottom and click the bottom, so you just highlight the actual documentation of the SQlite and not like all the other crap on the page, and then paste that in the chat, and then like just tell it what you want it to do, and it should do a pretty good job. You can use Cursor 3.5 or 3.7. Sorry, Sonnet, Claude 3.5 or 3.7. I'm using 3.5 right now just because the other one kept adding so much data. Oh, what? Why did it add that? Don't want that. Maybe I do. No, right now. When did that? Was that? Oh gosh. I didn't want it there. Reject. But when did I add that? Okay. We're gonna leave that. I didn't know that was there. What the heck? Okay. No, guy. No, that's not what I meant. No, this is wrong. I just want the answer, if any, to be toggled in the edit if it was answered. That's it. Don't change card data, but alter. What's it called? History. I have the food log model. Yeah, food log model. I didn't know I added that. Ooh, that's cool. I feel like that's extra stuff we don't need. Is that better than having the X? No, the X makes it. I like the X. Can you use Expo Go on your mobile phone? You can do that. You can use Expo Go, but it's very limited. Like, you're not going to be able to use like half the packages because you use custom SDKs. Can't use Superwall, can't use RevenueCat, can't use pretty much the things you're going to need. Yeah, 3.7 is a bit annoying, so I just switched back. Even though I added cursor rules to basically say do not ever do these things that you're doing and are annoying, it still did them. So 3.5 has been my friend. I used 3.7, I think, to do the database stuff, though. It took some initiative, and it broke, and it dropped my table when I had data in it, which was not cool, but that's okay. Now I have import, export, so if it drops my table, I just export my data a little bit right now. And then I just save it. Good. Add a conditional check. Is it gonna actually work now? Oh my gosh. It was a craving. It doesn't save that data point. Why? Reject, reject, reject. Alright. This is annoying, but that's okay. Let's see. Let me go and actually look at my code. Index? No. Need to go to the log. Alright, which data are we all? Okay. Data. Fullness after. Oh, I'm not. Feeling regret. Craving. Is set craving. Yeah, okay. Is craving equals now a craving. Why is it like that? Why did it do this? Is this the reason? Okay, if you want to insert food log, banana, worth it, yes. Craving, no. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now in the oh gosh. Why does it do that? I think it's not very smart. What's the craving? No. At home. Save. And when I scroll down, it shows that I had it at home, but it doesn't save the craving toggle. Why? I think my computer is having a bit of a hard time doing everything that we're doing right now because I'm streaming. But yeah, stream looks good. Thank you. I wasn't sure if it would lag a bit. Trivial delete is more iOS native for deleting on list though. No, yeah, it is more native. I'm just thinking that I had no idea you could do that. You could also add a delete in the edit, but it's not a big deal. It's something small that matters a bit, but doesn't matter that much. I'm just gonna leave it for now. It looks a bit unpolished though, so maybe I'll remove it. Also, like, what is that? It looks awful. I'm gonna remove it after this if it can do this simple thing. I just want to track if this was a craving or not and save the data. That's all I want. That's all I want. And then we can do the coin flip. Or should I do filters? I don't know. The main thing is the coin flip. It doesn't have to be that great. And then actually adding like useful information to the dashboard. So we have all this data and we need to use it to recognize what makes this person feel good. What type of foods are they most commonly consuming that make them feel good? And like, what foods do they absolutely avoid? That's like the easiest thing we could track. And then also suggestions like, hey, we notice when you eat fruits in the morning, you have a much better mood throughout the day. Stuff like that. That would be helpful. What else? Yeah. Basically, the app is almost done because this is kind of all I wanted from an app. I wanted to be able to flip on a coin to say, like, should I eat this chocolate bar? And then, like, hey, 20% chance I can eat this chocolate bar. Mostly likely no. Don't look at that. Don't look at how that looks. And look, oh, I skipped this. I'll just skip it now. I don't have coins on me, so I can't like just flip a coin all the time. I don't never have a coin. Yeah, let's see if this actually works. Please tell me this actually worked. It didn't. It didn't. I have to do it myself. I hate doing things myself. It didn't work. But clearly our data is saved. Move the old craving section. Did it change my... No, it changed the wrong one. Okay. Cool. Yeah, it didn't do anything. What did it do? Sure, we'll accept it. But, yes. Okay, but in the history, this is painful. I want selected option to be highlighted when they go to edit and view more details. It should be highlighted the option they picked, you know? And okay, one more try. I'm still in my mom's basement. Yeah, that is true. That is the truth. I'm in my mom's basement. Probably not for much longer, but I am in my mom's basement. What's up? What's up? Great content. Okay. Did it work? Still working. You want the craving selection to be highlighted in the history view when they expand to see more details. Let me modify to show the selected craving option. Yeah, it's exactly what I wanted. Oh, this is not what I wanted. What the heck is this? Oh, geez. Oh, geez. See if it worked, though. Was that fair? Didn't work. You are not very smart, guy. Okay, reject. Alright, in the history, we're showing. What are we showing? Ah, where's that? Show more details. It's not in this screen. Where it's which component is it in? Food log model? I think so. Add more. Oh, show more detail. Alright. Yes, show more details. Their notes are okay. Location selection. Craving label. Cool. I don't know why it's so hard. Maybe in my database I don't have it. Oh, oops. I had to do that twice. Have you considered using the camera for users to take a picture of the food and automatically name categorize it? Yeah, kinda, Jay, but that's a lot of work. And also, for me, it's not what I wanted. Like, I wanted to be able to type in the name of the thing so I can search it later based on what I think it's called. So it's like my personal diary, and it's easier to find when I want to find it. Because if it categorizes, I take a picture of like this Tuscan chicken I made, and if it just says chicken stew, I'm not gonna look up chicken stew. I'm gonna look up the thing I know it as. So that's why I didn't do that. But I think it could be useful. It's using cursor. Yeah, I'm using cursor right now. How are we gonna market this? What will the vids be about? I'll probably do some meme marketing, but also the fun part about finding what the vids are going to be about is the fact that I have not done that yet. And well, why did I make that ugly? And because I haven't done it yet, it still doesn't work. Okay. Give up. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not saving in the database. Now that I think about it, why else would it not be working, right? Yeah. Okay. Reject. Yeah, so we're gonna market this. I'm gonna use PostBridge, which is my app, but I'm gonna market it mainly through or all through organic social. So I'm not gonna spend any money. Eventually, maybe hire influencers, but at first, just everything fully organic. We're gonna stream for 30 more minutes, but hopefully I can do something more than nothing because that's what I've done so far. Code base. So I have a database right now, and I don't know if the actual field that I'm trying to fix is even in it. Assets. Where's my database? Oh. Ah. It's craving. We have it set. I found the issue. The database schema or functions correctly set up to handle craving data, but there's a potential problem in how the data is being converted. In the database schema, is craving stores an integer. Interface is defined as an option boolean. When inserting update, we correctly convert. And back to boolean. Retrieving that. Let me take a few lines here. Oh. So apparently I'm storing a data field that's boolean as a 0 or 1. Which makes sense. They could just store it as false or true, but okay. Making things complicated. Oh, it works. Let's go. So now it actually displays that. Wow, that was tough. Really had to tell exactly what to do. What else is it doing? What did it just do? Already working, guys. Relax. Save. And now it still shows it. Yes. Good, good, good. That's great. It works. Nothing's wrong. Add a food. Test, test, test. After this, I'm going to do the coin flip because that's more fun to watch than making a filtering system. Was not worth it. Bad. Not a craving. Bad. Not a craving. Nice. Okay, all works now. Let's go do this coin flip. Let's go do this coin flip. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, good for now. Let's go and make the coin flip feature more simple. Clean UX like my history screen, but epic animation of flipping between 3 images, 2 sides, X and check, plus middle blank to help make the animation look good. Assets are okay, so I have to add in some assets. I made some Figma coin flip assets. I'll show you them in 1 sec. Once I get them in the, once I export them, I have to export them. Yeah. Okay, PNG export coin flip. Coin X. Export coin check. And then export coin blank. I'll show you what I'm doing in a sec if you're watching this stream. So export those 3. Let's drag them over. Downloads. Doof. Coin. Public. Oh no, assets. Oh gosh. My computer's lagging a bit. And then images. Doink. Okay. This is what I'm adding. This, can you guys see it on stream? Yeah, you should be able to. So this. Oh gosh. This. A blank. And an X. This is like kind of similar to Doof logo. I just rearranged some vectors. Assets are coin X, coin check, and coin blank. Now we're going to ask Cursor to make us a better coin flip screen. Wait, stop. At coin flip. Where's the flip? What screen's my flip? What's it called? It's called coin. Coin.tsx. Okay, now let's try this. Free chat while we wait. Can you make a video on how to use AI tools and coding stuff? Honestly, Lancer, I would just go try it for yourself today. Whatever tool you need to use, if you don't know how to code, then go use bolt.new or VO. Put it in the chat. VO.dev or bolt.new. Go use, didn't paste, copy, paste. Go use that or go use bolt.new. New. Or go use bolt.new. So use one of those two. Or, wait, you're not on the new version of Cursor yet? The redesign the chat UI bit. I'm using Composer. This isn't working great. Is there a new version? Settings, new update available at the top. I see that now. Working, saving, all log data now, because plus added coin flip. Why am I writing up a commit? No one's gonna read this. All right. Yeah, I would choose one of those two. You save in Cursor and gets updated next code. Yeah, I have fast refresh. So if I go, what's the button? Command D. I have fast refresh on my simulator. And then, yeah, anytime I update or save in here, it does like a mini refresh here, not a full refresh. And any JavaScript changes, it'll save. If I like change packages, I have to rebuild the project quickly, but it only takes about a minute. If I install a package, it's not like I have to shut it down. I have to shut it down and restart it, which only takes a few minutes, a little bit longer than it would in a web environment, but it's not bad. I have to pee really bad, and cursor's taking forever. So I'm about to go do that. Yeah. Yes. What's up? Okay. We're gonna stream for, let's say, 20 more minutes, because I do have to do some work on my actual SaaS post bridge. Some things to catch up on, but hopefully cursor's gonna actually go through here. Okay. Well, IP. Let's hope it works. Be right back. Didn't work. Okay. Let's stop it. Resubmit. All right, if you're using cursor, stop, because mine's not working. Really want to see if it can one-shot the coin flip, because this coin flip was done first try, but obviously, like, there's an animation. Obviously, it's not great. Basically, I just want it to look like the other screens. Are you using Cursor Pro? Why didn't you use Claude 3.7? Diego, I'm not using Claude 3.7 because it usually adds like 7 extra features, and I just wanted to do the one thing I asked. I was using it earlier. It helped me get my initial database done and opinionated some design, which was nice, but now it just changes things. Like, it added that. I didn't even know it was there. It added this delete when I have a delete here. Um, so yeah, it just adds too much sometimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is taking forever. My friend Desmond, if anyone's watching the stream, so the logo for Doof, it looks like this. It's like a watermelon. I made it. I like it. But there's this other app called Cocoa Note, and it's just a coconut emoji. And he mentioned that not having like a fancy schmancy logo is kind of a benefit because people know, emojis. They trust an emoji. They know they're familiar. So I could use like a banana emoji or some type of emoji. However, I do like the way it looks. It looks pretty cool. It's like, yeah, Desmond the Rise guy. Desmond. Oh. Are you using any UI designs from like Tailwind? I am not. Whatever cursor it uses, I think I prompted. I told it to use Tailwind at one point. But Tailwind on React Native is a bit different because it's not like, I don't know. I never used Tailwind for React Native. I just use like default styles, because you can do a lot with simple styling. Is this always? I wonder. If that's a new download, it shouldn't save that data. I should probably tell it to clear. Yeah, this isn't working, sadly. Maybe I'll restart my thing. Maybe I will restart it. Or copy this and open a new composer chat. I need to do all these again. Assets are coin X, coin check, coin blank, agent. Maybe it'll work. Sometimes vibe coding is a bit slow. What else? Do I have anything else I need to do in the meantime? Maybe I should sign up for Google Play developers because I'm actually probably going to push the app to Google Play as well because it's like extra hour of work. But like, it's free. It's not too hard. Create app name, doof. Doof. What's my app name on App Store? My app name on the App Store is Food Diary to Quit Junk. That's exactly 30 characters. App or game, it's an app. Free or paid? Free. Confirm meets Apple. Accept laws. Cool. This working? Not. Really not working. Okay, I'm gonna restart this. Oh, but then I have to restart it on stream too. Alright. 1 second stream. 1 second. That's not working, so we're gonna quit cursor. Oh wait. Let me close that first. Quit cursor. Right. I'm gonna quit Figma. Figma's probably eating my RAM. I have like 10 tabs open on Chrome too. While I'm streaming. New release. I don't want to update right now. Oh, it is. It literally changed. It updated. Whoa, it looks sick. You weren't kidding. Agent, chat. I don't want to use chat. I want to use composer. How do you switch now? Chat. It's only chat. Agent. Oh, there's just agent ask. Oh. Whoa, it looks so much cleaner. Well, you guys can't see. I'm a doofus. Let me edit it. Code window. Gonna be cursor. Okay. This looks clean now. I mean, it looked clean before. I didn't really mind. Okay. Send. Generating. Maybe that. Oh, it's working now. Yes, we're gonna vibe code. We're vibing. We're vibing. Search for any existing coin related code. I just added the coin related code. Oh, I found it. Nice. Smart. So smart. Get ready to publish your app. Do I have to do a test for new apps? Wait, you do? Publish a closed testing release? Oh, do you have to do testing release for... Even if I have an app with it's approved already? Well then, that's annoying. Maybe I won't publish on Google Play. I hope Blake and Patty from PMF do that ahead of time. But I have to have a build for a test release. Is Postbridge and Curiosity Quench where you have so many users? Is it easy fixing bugs just talking to cursor? Do you know the code base? So for Curiosity Quench, most of it was like I actually had to code a lot because like I didn't use Composer Chat, and same for Postbridge. I haven't been using Composer Chat, so it's like I work on one thing at a time. I do it, I test, I go and edit the code myself. This is the first time I've been making something where I literally didn't code at all, really, like this app here, because it's like it's doing everything for me. So, oh, I don't actually have the app running. That's why the thing didn't change. Let's run the new thing. Let's accept the changes. And we're about to see how it looks. Been live for 51 minutes already. Actually crazy. So it's launching now. Let's see. Moment of truth. Oh gosh. Well, it's better. Okay, do I want to eat a banana? Let's flip the coin. Oh, whoa. Oh gosh, the check mark's backwards. What the hell? What is that? You're beautiful, cursor, but that sucks. Holy. Okay, I like the... I need more information on the screen. It doesn't like describe. It's like, flip. What are you tempted to eat? Actually, maybe that's enough information. Okay. This is a good start. Is it always going to say go for it? Where's the X? How many? Skip it. Stay strong. Your future self will thank you for skipping the banana. The banana. Okay. This is a great start. But it's not epic enough. Make it more dramatic and the coin bigger. And then make the UI make a bit more informative so users know what it is, but keep it light and clean too. Maybe instead of our coin assets, let's use emojis. Cool. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking what my friend Desmond said. Like, if I just used an emoji. There's a banana emoji, so if we just used... Can I type emojis on? I need to show keyboard. Ah, oh, damn it. Okay, whatever. If I just use an emoji, like banana emoji, banana iOS emoji. For the app logo, it would look really cool. Like, they're so high quality. I'll show you guys. Instead of like the thing I made. We just had a banana emoji. Would that be cooler? I already made a logo. Let me see. Like if we just had this as a... That's pretty funny. That'd be pretty funny. Alright, so this logo, whoever's watching right now, this logo as an app logo. Okay, this is option 1. Or option 2 is this logo. Okay, when I put them side by side, they both look pretty awful. For context, the icon would be like this, but also if you look at my phone on the simulator, it would look like this. So it looks a lot cooler when it's zoomed out. What do you guys think? Banana emoji or watermelon thing? I don't know. Maybe it doesn't matter. Maybe I won't bother changing it since the green one is cool. Make your own AI emoji. AI emojis kind of suck, I'll be honest. They all look the same to me. Why not use Rive for this? I don't know what Rive is. Green, unique. Alright, we're going green. We're keeping green. We're keeping the green emoji. But I like banana. It's funny. This is what it gave me now. Can't decide? Let fate choose. Enter what you're tempted to eat and flip the coin. Trust the result. It's a fun way to make decisions. Banana. Do we eat banana? Banana. Oh, what? Heads or tails? Like an actual coin. It's definitely way cooler. Oh, that is cool. That's cool, but it still looks like an AI made it. It's too much. Okay, we're gonna accept it though. Okay, this is better, but still looks a bit unpolished. Let's try different emojis and no background circle either. And show like we had before. Yes. Or to skip it this time. Show just had it. And remove the top. Actually, I don't like it. But keep new animations. It's nice. All right, that's definitely better. This is not supposed to be a super crazy feature. I want this page to be clean. I want it to work, and I want it to kind of be fun. Like there should be like some type of fun. Like this isn't that fun. Like I could put a banana, like a banana. No, I just like bananas. Yeah. Coin flips kind of boring right now. Maybe it doesn't have to be cool. Flips today. Oh, that's so much better already. Ooh. Yes. Oh, that's so much better. You can eat banana. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Flips today. Where does it store the flip data? Is it gonna reset? Whoa, what? Random emote? Maybe we should change flip to chance. But in my paywall, I have it saying, like, it literally says in my paywall, flip a coin feature. What to do, I don't know. Are we live for almost an hour? Yeah. Okay, let's try to get this polished. That's so much better though. Okay, but I call it flip a coin. So maybe we could use, what emojis are there for coins? There's only really one. You're probably name this Fate or Chance. Name it Chance, I think. I think Chance is better. Like Chance. No, flip a coin. But flipping a coin. I like flipping a coin. Could use some coin assets. This is so much better already. The flip today's don't stay. Skip the banana this time. I'll have like a settings here so you can, the max, the best odds you can get is 50% yes. Whoa, it changes the icon every time. I just realized that. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh wait, does it actually start off as a coin now? What are you tempted to eat? The chance aside, flip for it. Like that is not it. Skip it. No, let's make it heads or tails. Then they call. If they get it right, they can eat the thing. Yeah, let's do that. Make it more fun. If I put in banana, I can pick heads or tails. Then I flip the coin, and if I get it right, yes, I can eat it. If not, no, I can't eat it. Then there's like at least one more layer of input. I could just make it default, like, I'll leave it as a default. Heads, you call heads by default. You can change it. That sounds fun. Roll the dice. Yeah, roll the dice or flip a coin, one of the two. Roll the dice, I just didn't want to animate like 6 dice numbers. So, this way. We'll do heads or tails. They can call their choice. And if they get it right, they can eat whatever they put here. So just 50-50. We'll just leave it as that. We won't even add like odd adjustments. Yeah, so, oh, this is so much better. So banana. I'm calling heads. Tails. Heads. It's both. Heads or tails. Flip coin. Heads. Flip coin. Heads. Oh, see, it's cut off now, though. Tails. You called it. Is it always right? What's going on? This logic is not adding up. Heads. Bad luck. Banana. Oh yeah. This is a bit too much information. Mouse up. Roll the dice. No one's commented. Cool. What? It kind of added it. It's... Oh look, but I can change it after. So we can't let them change it. better. I like you guys can just see a banana. Cool down on the coin flipper. That's true. Cooldown. If I have a cooldown once per hour, and flip it once per hour. But otherwise, wouldn't they just go eat it? Like, if I can't flip my coin to decide, I'm just gonna go eat it. There's just like one last layer. They don't have to listen to it. I don't know though. Maybe. Didn't do anything. Oh, that's better. Food name. Banana. Heads, tails. Hey, look, I can change it after. Oh, yeah. You're at a cooldown period. Let me go get some assets for coin flip. Coin SVG. Heads, tails. I need heads and tails. Heads and tails. Heads and tails. Oh gosh, you get a free SVG for this. Maybe on Flaticon. It's gonna be hard to get a heads tails icon hero. Coin. No. Okay, if I call Ted, head for banana, and I flip it. Locked now. 30. I think a 30-second cooldown is good. I think I think a cooldown is actually good. That way, they still have to wait. They can refresh and do it again, but yeah, I think that looks good. But I need to change this. I press flip again. Oh, it resets it. Perfect. Okay. Should also disable the input so they can't change it too. Okay, where can I find asset for heads and tails? I want some type of coin, head, and tails SVGs. Even PNGs are fine. SVG repo. Nope. These look bad. Flat icon. No, I don't want that. That one icon library that I used to use a lot. Icon library. Where was it? Oh, font awesome. Yeah, that's what I want. Heads. Coin. Free coins. Not really much. I have to find that later. That's okay though. Okay. Banana. Alright, to get to eat it. Tails. Flips today too. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty solid. We just have to obviously change this a bit. Put this here, put this inside this box. That's pretty solid though. Obviously. That's pretty good. The logging system's good. The dashboard needs to be completely done still. But the flip's looking way better. Okay. Now I think they a bit more clean and compact. Please. Let's do a little bit more UI. I don't think this outline's needed at all, really, but if I can make it look nice. Rive has free interactive animations, also flip coins. Rive? Oh, really? Let me look it up. Rive. Design and build production ready graphics. Oh, wait, what? Are they free? Can I use them in my app? No way. Oh, damn. Downloads. Products. Editor. Community files. Coin flip. Oh. Oh. Heads and tails, or any of that. That's pretty sick. I'm about to stop coding, Robin, just because I need to do some stuff with Postbridge. This looks better, much better. Let's do banana. So it's tails, bad luck, skip the banana. That's perfect for now. Can't edit it. I have 30 seconds to wait. The flips today. Let's not track flips today. Take that out. Yeah, if I had actual heads and tails icon, it would look way better. So that's the next thing. I didn't look at. I think. Oh yeah. Add proper heads and tails assets. Later, I'll get proper assets for coin flip. But I made it. I have to add insights to today. So hopefully I can get some work on that done after. Probably won't stream it, but I will tweet it. That looks good now. This is simple. We have a coin. Oh gosh, what did it just do here? I don't know what that is. Heads, you called it. Go and eat banana. That's pretty solid. The most solid part is actually this, the food logging. I love this UI. Pretty proud of it. This little banana icon. I like that guy. Worth it? No. No. Yes. I need to add a better search here. So if I search the notes and I see like yum. Oh, it already works actually. Yeah, it already searches the notes. Q. Really? If I search explosive. Oh. Okay. Don't get burger from McDonald's. Yeah, we have proper icons here. They look good. They should be sticky to the bottom too. Oh wait, no, because we have a... Yes, actually. Make the flip coin button sticky to the info. Skip the banana. Above it instead. Below. I think if we put this in the bottom sticky, it'll look nice. So let's see. After that change, probably head out. I know it wasn't a long stream. I know like there's Blake and Patty over at PMF or Die streaming all day. I don't really know how they do it. That's like its own game. That's its own like challenge in itself. Not even building a $1 million business, but streaming the whole time. Yeah, see, this is what I want, but not like that because obviously it's cut off. We have to calculate from navbar spacing. Almost worked, but you need to calculate the navbar space dynamically so it's always above. That's right. Now it's cut. Yeah. This is what we want, and you flip it and the information pops up here. Yeah, like that. But the button has to be higher, obviously. Flip a coin, your do vlogs, and your home screen. We should make that the same size as... Probably. Explosive. Delete all these vlogs. Delete. I actually want to use this myself, so I'm not gonna save this data anyways, but I want to look in here and be like, the logs make sense. This is what it's for. It's for tracking when you eat McDonald's and it feels terrible. Yes, that's nice. That's better. Extra spacing's nice too. Chop. McDonald's. I know it's Mick, don't worry. But McDonald's burger. McDonald's burger. Tails. We're calling tails. I always go heads. So, that's flip. Go ahead. You called it. Good drink. So this could be drinks. That looks much better when it's like this, though. Okay. Now just adjust extra spacing. A little bit more. Just flip again. This looks already so much better. I do like the emojis because, I don't know, they feel like not serious. Was that UI coded by Cursor? Yeah, it was coded by Cursor and also just me messing around. But mostly Cursor. Obviously, it did things that looked terrible, like this. But I didn't really do much. I didn't give it much opinions. I added some spacing here and there, but most of it's Cursor. Can't really take the credit. This still has too much upper height. Where's that? What's the button? Adding bottom. Bar height. What did it change? 20? Didn't change anything. Do not need any. Why did it? Didn't do anything. Anyways. It's pretty good. We're gonna leave it there for now. This took away no padding underneath. But still a bit too much space. Just want it to be this size. Button. Yeah. What would be cool? Use AI to add a message if the food isn't healthy, it reads the input text. Yeah, I can do a lot of stuff, honestly. But most of us know what's not healthy and what's healthy. Actually, the point of this is not to say what's healthy and what's not healthy, but to like eat things yourself and say, how did my body react? How did it feel to that? And if you have a log of all the things that you've eaten and how they made you feel, when you need to eat something again, you can see how it made you feel and then make a decision with a bit more information. And like, if you have notes, like say you ate a McDonald's burger and it made you feel terrible, and you said in your notes, do not eat this again. When you go and look again, you're probably going to be swayed to not do that again. Whereas in real life, you don't have notes, you don't have something like this. You just forget how painful it was last time and you do it again, which is not fun. Adding 0. Wait. Oh. That's better. Perfect. That's perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. That's much better, actually. I'm gonna put the info later here, sticky here. Then this can be centered relative. But banana, we're gonna call heads. It flips. I don't know why it does all that crap. Go ahead. You called it. Eat the banana. Should make like a prompt here. Add it to your logs. Like no matter what. Okay, now make it so after the flip ends, it adds the prompt to their logs later too, or something. If the prompt is yes. Oh, I don't really want to stop, but I have to stop for now. Would be easily deploy local model and have 0 cost for you. Local models though, like a lot of Android people use older devices, so they're just not gonna work that great. That would be the best decision though. Yeah, it would be a local model of some sort. Because this is fully offline right now. Like there's no need for syncing data. There's nothing like that. So it's really helpful. Oh, it completely took out my coin flip. Guy? You took out my coin flip. What did you do? Wait, did it actually though? No, it didn't. Okay. We say banana and we get it right. Please get it right. You called it. Go ahead and eat banana. Log how makes you feel. Ooh, that looks so much better. And then we log it. Yes, that is so good. Banana made us feel good. Yes, worth it. Yes, that's sick. That's sick. Okay, we're accepting that. We're gonna then push the code. What did I do? What? Oh, why is the new update cursor like that? Look at my top. Oof, that's ugly. Gosh. Working coin flip. Nice. Oh, why does it look like this? Oh, please. I do not like that. Whatever. That's okay. All right. So here's our app. Oh, I moved it. You can't see it now. Here's our app. This is what it looks like right now. Should auto input the view when you clicked it. Oh, like if you go here, it should auto put you on the input. That would make sense. Yeah, that'd be good. I'll do that. You already have the name of the thing the person wants to eat, right? No, I don't. They have to input the thing. They have to input it. So like, if you're doing this tool to the right is a flip, and it's just like to stop temptation. So I wanted it for myself. Like, oh, should I eat this chocolate bar? Should I eat this ice cream? Like, I know I shouldn't, but I could. So instead of just eating it and caving in, you have one last hope, which is that this says no. So you put in the ice cream here. You call heads or tails. If you guess it right, you can eat it. If you guess it wrong, you can't. Oh, wait. I'm stupid. I know what you mean now. Input it here. Yes, we should auto input it. Yes. We already have it. You're right. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense now. Got you. Yeah, you're right, Kenny. All right, that's it for today for the stream. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll post on Twitter what else I do tonight, but I just have some other stuff to work on for now, and I'll come back to do ultimate grift, $5 for 10 more coin tosses. But like, you could just go eat the thing. So is it really grifting? Thanks, Will. Thanks, Sisse. Thanks, Kenny. Thanks, everybody, for showing up. Go build your apps now. Have fun. And good luck. And keep going. All right. Peace out.